The biologist JBS Haldane famously observed, or proposed, that the universe may not only be queerer than we suppose, but queerer than we can suppose. And what he meant by that, well, has been mentioned many times by writers since, is that the mechanisms by which we suppose anything, by which we come to know anything or understand anything, those cognitive processes that we're capable of carrying out, may not be up to the task of truly comprehending the universe. And the reasons for that are pretty simple. Our cognitive processes have been designed by evolution to allow for the optimal survival, at least to the point of reproduction, of ourselves, medium-sized mammals moving at medium speed. There would be no need for us to have full understanding of quantum physics or relativity theory or anything else, really, if that's all we're here for. So this supposition, this limitation, possible limitation, that JBS Haldane suggests, may on the face of it be quite a sort of negative or pessimistic way of approaching the relationship between ourselves and the cosmology, or the cosmos that we find ourselves embedded within it. It suggests that we'll never be able to construct a cosmology which has a relationship to truth and authenticity and actually describes the universe, while simultaneously being truly apprehensible by human minds. Several things fall out from that. One is the fact that, or the odd thing, which on the face of it seems to contradict that, is the fact that we do actually seem to be able to understand quite a lot that we shouldn't be able to understand. Richard Feynman pointed out that, whilst quantum physics is truly beyond understanding, he said if you think you understand quantum physics, you don't understand quantum physics. Whilst that may be the case, we are still, apparently, I say we, I don't mean me myself, of course, we do seem to be astonishingly good at using its findings to make predictions. We can do the maths, even if we don't truly understand what the maths itself is describing. And I've heard it said that some of the predictions that quantum physics makes is accurate to an equivalency of the width of one human hair in relation to the width of the United States. So it's an astonishing levels of accuracy we seem to be able to work out, even though we can't, as I say, visualize what that working out really means. So there's some kind of supposing there, some kind of understanding or a gaining of knowledge, even if that knowledge isn't embodiable in any routine sense. The other aspect of that, well, to continue from that really, what's allowing us to suppose things which should be beyond our ability to suppose is the tools that the cultural tools that we've constructed to allow our understanding to extend beyond the horizons of direct embodiment. And chief among those are, I would say, mathematics, which, as I've already suggested, has shown astonishing successes in physics, certainly. And the other one is metaphor. And this is talked about extensively in the field of cognitive linguistics. In George Lakoff's work, for example, Mark Johnson's work. It seems to be a metaphor which allows us to apprehend the theoretically non-apprehensible, to talk about things and think about things which should be and would otherwise be beyond the range of our cognition.